Good morning and welcome to a very hot England. It's going to be about 29-30 degrees today, one of the hottest days of the year so far. So hopefully I'm going to be able to get this done before it gets too hot and sunny. So today's task is to clean this block paved driveway. As you can see, we've got the drive at the front, then we've got the path going around the side and a little bit around the back area as well. I'm also going to be sanding it, and then when it's dry fully, so probably tomorrow or Sunday, because it's Friday today, I'm going to come back and I'm going to seal it. I'm going to get a sealer on there. They've gone for a matte finish. I've done sealers before where they have a wet look. Personally, I prefer the wet look, but they want a matte look. So yeah, it's just going to help stop any weeds growing through. So that is today's task. Problem I've got though, around the front of here, it's an extremely busy road, so I don't know when I'm going to park my van, and also there is a bus stop smack bang outside the customer's property, as you can see just there, so I'm not going to be able to park on there either. So it is going to be a bit of a challenge for parking wise. I think that's the only obstacle that I'm going to hopefully come across today. If I've got to juggle the van about while I'm doing it on the drive, then that's what I'm going to have to do. Hopefully, if I go next door, there's a pet shop just there, Super Pets. Might have a word with them and just see if I can just drop my van at the side of the fence just there, just so I can do this front. I'll do all the side and everything prior that, but I'll just nip next door and I'll see if I can get my van on there. So that's the front. It's just a basic block paved drive. Bit of moss down here because you're not going to get much sun around this side of the building. So this is the back area. It's pretty clean, as you can see, but it will look amazing once it's done. So the tank's filling up. All I've got to do now is wait for that, and then we'll be able to go for it. So let's do this, baby. So over 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you very much. Whoa, yeah. The size of that rope literally ran all the way along that drain. That's a bit better. And that root literally ran all the way along there. It's still sticking through there, so I'm going to be guessing it's come out of that garden. Look at it! Look at it! Ginormous. So the back and side are done. I thought I'd get them out of the way first and then I can tackle the front by just moving the van and getting it where I need it to be, because I'm not going to be able to go next doors and use their bit of car park that they've got. They're not that too fussed about me doing it, so I'm just going to have to manoeuvre the van around the driveway and do it in 2 probably stages. But yeah, I'll get there. But this is the back. So it's had its hypo on, as you've just seen me do, rinsed it off, and it's looking absolutely mint. So by the time I've cleaned the front, the back and side will be dry. I'll be able to sand it. That then will be dry, and I'll be able to sand that. So let's manoeuvre this van about. Let's get the front cleaned, and then we'll sand the back and side, and then we'll sand the front.
And the best part, thousands in stock with fast free delivery. Start your journey to better sleep today. Only at Wilson's Carpets and Beds. Wilson's Carpets.
So as you can see, got the van moved. Just got this little area to clean now, so we'll get this cleaned, then we'll start sanding the back and side, and then by the time I've done the back and side, this will be ready to sand because it'll be nice and dry. So let's get this little section cleaned, and then let's get sanding. so the sand is down, as you can see. We've done that. A little bit wet in places, but we can live with that because we're going to be back tomorrow to seal it. So this is what it looks like at the mow. And as you can see, they'll flow pipes out, and that is because I'm about to clean the windows. So that is it for today. Next time you're going to see me is in the morning when I'm going to be sealing it. So I'll see you there. Ta-da! Morning and welcome back. So I am just about to seal the driveway. That's what I'm using. It's the Thompson paving sealer. There we go, matte finish. Middle of the road sealer. Not the cheapest, not the most expensive. I use this quite a lot. I'm happy with it. Customers are always happy with it. They're happy to pay the price as well. So I'm going to pour it in my sprayer. We're going to go and spray. So let's do this. Forgot my blower. What a knob. And it's very windy today and leaves have been a pain in the arse. So there you go, the first coat of sealer is on. Apart from forgetting my blower and all these chuffing leaves that keep blowing on the front, everything went pretty well. It's going to dry pretty quick today. It's nice and sunny. It's nice and windy, so I'll come back in 3 or 4 hours and we'll get another coat on. So I've had to come the day after purely because it looked like it was going to rain. It didn't. So today I've come back and I'm going to get the second coat on and then we are finished and done. So let's get the second coat on and I'll show you what it looks like after. So I've just put the sealer down. It is wet. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like a sealed driveway, patio area? Personally, I think it just looks finished and completed once the sealant's been put down and it's dried. It just looks amazing, just finishes it off. But let me know what you think in the comments below. So I'll quickly show you it and then we're done. So there you go, that is it, finished, done and completed. How amazing does that look? Looks absolutely brand fire new, straight out of the packet once again. So yeah, job's a good one. But yeah, we're done, we're finished. Until next time, I will see you later. See you later. Ta-da. See you. Bye-bye.